In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to trade crypto options on Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly explore options on Binance. So to do this, go over to the Binance website and you will find it under derivatives. You might also be able to find this through the mobile app, but this is where you can find it on the website. So you will see options, buy and sell options, and when you choose here, you will be able to register. So you will see this message, welcome to options trading. If you already have an account, then you will be able to sign in to start, and if you don't, you will see the option to register now. So in here, you will begin the process of trading options. First, click this icon here with the two arrows at the right side of the screen, and you will be able to do a transfer. Internal transfers are free on Binance, so you choose from which account of yours you want to transfer to options. So usually this will be fiat and spot, and when you select it here, you will be able to proceed and transfer your funds over. Now, make sure that the coin is set up and choose the amount. After you do this, you will see all of the calls listed in order. So select the buy or sell option available to open a trade. The call options give the owner the right but not the obligation to buy the underlying asset at an agreed upon date and time, while put options give the right to sell the underlying asset. Once you choose the buy or sell option, you will be able to see everything here, and you can choose the order type. At the right side of the screen, you can use the options open and close to actually buy and start the trade. To close the deal, you have the option to keep it in your possession until expiration, switch to close mode in the trading panel, select order type, enter price and amount and sell, or click close directly under trades. I hope I was able to help you on how to trade crypto options on Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.